I'm Bogie. I'm a custom home builder and remodeler on set with Atlas Roofing Corporation. Today we're going to show you how to install EnergyShield Pro continuous wall insulation on your commercial projects. First step in the process is to identify our drainage plane. In this case, it's our sheet membrane that we've applied to the wall. We've also prepped our window openings with proper sill pan flashings, and also the base of our wall with a base joint here. If you're going to be treating the face of your EnergyShield Pro as your drainage plane, check out our other videos on that subject. Fasten your EnergyShield Pro to metal stud framing. You're going to want to use an 1 3/4 inch plastic washer with a self-drilling screw, which provides a minimum of 3/4 inch penetration into your metal stud framing. So we start by placing our insulation horizontally, running perpendicular to our wall sheathing, and I spot out my washers on a grid, 12 inches along the edge, 16 inches on the field, hitting my metal stud framing. These washers are nice. They have little prongs on the back, so you can go ahead and put them right in your position. So on any vertical seams, we want to make sure that our fasteners are laid out at 12 inches on center versus the 16 that we do with the field. When we lay out our EnergyShield Pro, we make sure that none of our seams are corresponding to seams with the sheathing underneath, and we also make sure that none of our seams run continuously vertical. When installing EnergyShield Pro at an outside corner, make sure to stagger your joints. It's not required, but it is an option that you can tape the corners here to prevent against job site damage. Thanks for joining us today for our video on installing EnergyShield Pro over an existing WRB. Check out atlasrwi.com for further technical specifications and install methods, as well as our other videos on the subject.